Imagine you're leading a convoy through a dusty stretch of Iraqi highway. Where every shadow could hide an IED rigged to turn your ride into a fireball. Your Humvee's tough? But against modern bombs, it's playing Russian roulette. Enter the MaxxPro MRAP, the mine-resistant, ambush-protected beast from Navistar Defense that turned the tide. Saving thousands of lives by making survivable the new normal for troops in harm's way. Built like a vault on wheels, the MaxxPro didn't just protect. It dominated asymmetric battlefields from Iraq to Afghanistan. Let's roll through its gritty origins, bomb-proof design, and why it's still kicking long after the dust settled. The MaxxPro story explodes onto the scene in 2007, peak of the Iraq surge. U.S. forces were bleeding vehicles and lives to roadside bombs. Humvees flipped like toys. The Pentagon's MRAP program demanded a quick-fix armored truck. Blast the hell out of mines and ambushes without breaking the bank or the roads. Navistar, leveraging their commercial truck know-how, rushed the MaxxPro into production using the MaxxForce engine family and a monocoque armored hull. First units hit the sand in mid-2007. With over 9,000 eventually fielded, more than any other MRAP variant. It wasn't elegant, but it worked. Rapid production on existing Workstar chassis meant troops got protection fast. By 2008, MaxxPro Plus and Dash variants added mobility tweaks, proving the design's adaptability. The MaxxPro screams overbuilt survivor. Its key? A high-strength steel monocoque hull, no frame, pure armored shell, with that signature V-shaped underbelly to deflect blasts away from the crew capsule. Here's the rundown on the MaxxPro. Dimensions: approximately 23.5 feet, 7.1 meters in length, 8.25 feet, 2.5 meters in width, 10 feet, 3 meters in height. Wheelbase approximately 14.7 feet, 4.48 meters. Combat weight: around 20 to 24 tons, GVWR depending on the variant. Crew: 2 plus 4 to 6 troops plus gunner, up to 7 total. Engine: MaxxForce D 9.3 over 6 9.3-liter turbo diesel, producing 375 horsepower. Transmission: Allison 3000 5-speed automatic. Top speed 65 miles per hour, 105 kilometers per hour, road limited, approximately 40 miles per hour off-road. Range, about 300 plus miles, 480 plus kilometers on a full tank of fuel. Suspension, fully independent coil springs, 15-inch wheel travel, CTIS, central tire inflation, run flats. Angles, 48 to 58 degrees approach/departure, 15-inch ground clearance. %60 gradability, 30% side slopes. Power to weight, solid 15 plus horsepower per ton for its bulk. Super single tires/ground pressure for mud and sand. While the suspension eats ruts that'd snap lesser rigs. MaxxPro's claim to fame is surviving blasts that'd flip tanks. The armored crew capsule sits high above a deep V-hull that channels explosion energy outward. Think redirecting a bomb's fury like a skateboarder grinding a rail. Blast rating. Withstands 14 to 20 kilograms TNT under hull/wheel. EFP/anti-tank mine equivalent. Ballistics. Stanig level 1 to 4. Stops 14.5 millimeters AP. RPG-7 with slat armor kits. NBC sealed. Positive pressure filters for chem/bio threats. Extras. Auto fire suppression, spall liners. Blast seats. Transparent armor windows. Tests showed it surviving multiple hits where Humvees vaporized. Crews report feeling untouchable, even after direct blasts. MaxxPro packs punch via remote weapon stations, RWS, like crows up top. Weapons. M2.50 caliber. MK 1940 mm grenade launcher. M240 machine gun. Or M134 miniguns. Missiles. Some haul tool missiles for anti-armor bite. Extras. Smoke launchers. Jammers versus IEDs. Inside, room for squad gear, radios, and C4 ISR screens. Keeps you networked while buttoned up. Navistar built a lineup for every job. MaxxPro Dash, lighter, faster base model, GVW approximately 22,000 kilograms for patrols. 16.8 horsepower per ton, power to weight keeps it nimble. MaxxPro Plus, beefier payload, 6,400 kilograms, same 105 kilometers per hour speed for convoys. Long wheelbase, LWB. Extra room for ambulances or command posts. 381 millimeters clearance. Ambulance. Carries 4 litters plus medics, still climbs 60% grades. Recovery/engineer. Winch, boom crane for self-rescue or towing MRAPs, robot deployment, and mine rollers. MaxxPro owned Iraq/Afghanistan routes 2007 to 2014. Stats: survived 7,000 plus IED strikes, cut fatalities 80% versus Humvees. Convoys rolled faster and safer. Post-drawdown, units went to Ukraine, shredding orcs, Poland, Baltics. Troops nicknamed it the Bony Box for its shape, but loved the AC, space, and thunk of blasts glancing off. "95% operational readiness kept logistics humming. Navistar, now ND Defense, upgraded with stronger engines. Electronics. At approximately $1 million per unit, it's pricier than JLTV, but unbeatable for blast jobs. Allies export hundreds. Ukraine's fleet proves ongoing relevance. Why MaxxPro endures. Proven savior. Thousands alive thanks to V-hull. Adaptable tank. Configs for any fight. Rugged mobility. Off-road king for 24 tons. Simple sustain. Commercial routes equals cheap parts. It's the MRAP that defined a war era. The MaxxPro MRAP isn't glamorous. It's a rolling bunker that gets troops through the worst the enemy can throw. From IED alleys of Baghdad to Ukrainian mud, its V-hull and torque have saved lives and won fights. As wars go high-tech, the MaxxPro reminds us, sometimes brute protection and raw mobility are the ultimate tech. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.